you doing, guys? And welcome back. And we're off to another adventure, but decided to go take a ride and grab lunch at the beach. But we're not going to South Beach today. We're actually going to Hollywood. I don't know if we're going to go in the water or what, but we're just going to go hang out, ride some bike, because over there it's a great place to ride bike. And yeah, it's going to be interesting because you have to wear a mask and it's hot and there's no wind, so we're going to sweat it out. So we'll see what happens. But we're going to load up the bikes and let's go with the show on the road. Vámonos. And here, I guess while we're waiting, and like you can see, I really loaded up the bike. I'm trying out this new camera I got. If you guys follow me on Instagram, Fresco Channel, you guys noticed that I did a little zoom test. So, and in case you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Fresco Channel, like that. I post more and more daily stuff on Instagram, so follow me there. So yeah, I'm testing out a new camera. It has a built-in gimbal, so it's pretty cool. And then we'll see. We're gonna actually, that's another reason why we're going out to Hollywood. We're gonna test out the new zoom on it, because you know I like doing that, catching everything that goes around me and showing you guys. So oh, and by the way, now I'm talking about you guys, welcome. This month we have the new subscribers to the channel. Thank you guys and welcome to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys turn on all your notifications, like that you guys won't miss no videos. So yeah, there's a new camera today and we'll see how it works. But if you noticed, last weekend it was me and Fresco. Now this weekend we got Gita and Joel. And you know how they blackmailed me to go with me? Because they didn't want to come. The only way they came with me is because I'm gonna buy them lunch. So they're only in it for the food. No, but it's okay.
Yo was craving fried calamari.
And yes, we're back to the Hollywood boardwalk to enjoy a beautiful ride on a sunny day. But you have to remember to follow rules, because there's certain areas that you can ride the bike and others you have to walk in. And if you guys remember from my video before at Hollywood Beach, this is exactly the same place that I kind of lost my camera. So this time I'm making sure I don't lose it or drop it.
There's no bike here. You gotta get off. No bike.
Alright, so we're here. We found a restaurant right here. We're gonna take a little stroll and eat. Oh, sorry. What? Okay. All right, so I got the chicken. He got 5 calamari, and he got calamari, and she got chicken. Chicken.
What is it?
Chicken.
Royal.
Yeah, chicken.
Okay, huh?
5. You still want to use? Got lemon in it.
Well, and as you can see, everyone is enjoying their lunch, especially the kids, because they love fried calamari, and I do too. But you know, we were just here hanging out, and I decided to go ahead and check my phone and check on Instagram, and guess what I see? I see that my cousin posted a picture nearby here at Hollywood Beach. So we decided to jump on the bikes, walk on the bikes and see if we could find them. But luckily, one of their kids texted Fresquito and told him the location, because the Hollywood Boardwalk is pretty long, and with so many people here at the beach today, it was going to be almost impossible to find them.
It kept going. You see him? Where? 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 I'm blind.
And after about 30 minutes or so, we finally found them. So we're gonna go see what they're up to. Well, here hanging out with my cousins, chillaxing. And while my kids go out play with their kids out in the water, I'm gonna go ahead and test out my new camera zoom. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in and out of things and tell me what you guys think. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I love this camera. The quality, the zoom, and the stability. But after hanging out a few hours here with my cousins, it's time to head back. And you know why? Because Big Mama wants to eat some ice cream. You know you can't come to Hollywood Beach without eating ice cream. So we're gonna grab the bikes and hit the sidewalk and let's go ice cream shopping. And something I noticed right away when we got to the sidewalk, there was more people than before.
Hey,
¿Este es mío?
no.
¿Este es mío? No, me cabía nomás que para preguntar.
Look what the baby ordered. Look, look. Look what the baby ordered. Look at that thing. Huge thing. Where's your ice cream?
Melted.
Where's your ice cream, ma'am? Look at that. She ate it in 2 minutes. Okay. Look at the vultures. Look at the vultures. Look, look, look. She's the biggest one. Look at that.
Big Mama's not eating.
You're not eating? You already ate yours, ma'am. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that. It's all gone.
Well, and after devouring the ice creams, we just hanged out here for a little bit, did some people watching, and we decided to start heading back. I think it was a day well spent here, riding bike, enjoying food, got to hang out with my cousins. That was a big surprise for us because I wasn't expecting that. That was really cool to see them because you know nowadays everybody's busy with the work schedule and their own kids' homework and work around the house and grocery shopping. So it's really hard sometimes to make time to go see your faraway cousins or family members. And also, I'm really surprised there's more people now than last time I was here like 3 weeks ago. I'm really glad to see that because I see people are trying to go back to normal living. And also, I'm glad I could bring videos like these because a lot of people have been telling me that they get to experience the beaches here in Florida without leaving their country or their state. But right now, it's time to ride back because we got a long way to go.